What's up, guys? This is Bama Girl Amy. I told you guys in the previous video that we would have a part 2 of my DIY of my arts and crafts. Now these, it's just a smaller setup here. It's just a smaller like bookshelf, and they are actually 6 little boxes here. This is the second part of my video, and in these boxes is where I store all of my Happy Mail that is being sent out throughout the month. When I get ready to send it out, I just go over there, open one of the drawers, grab something, and I go to the post office. So I think that is a really cool way to organize your Happy Mail, to know what to send out. You know, like I have these organized also as well, because I'm I guess a organization freak or whatever you want to call it. But this one's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So those are the ones that I mail out throughout the week. I have been recently buying a lot of extra that you guys had seen in the first video that was in the last, I think it was the last 2 boxes over there. But I just thought this was a really cool and actually a pretty way to organize and hide your arts and crafts where you just don't have them laying all over the place. Also, got one little thing else to show you guys. Does anybody recognize that right there? Or who sent that? Do you guys know who painted that for me? If you do, comment it in the comment section. That was some Happy Mail that I had received. I love every bit of Happy Mail I have ever got. If it don't fit in my box, it's throughout this house. So I hope you guys have a beautiful day. Love each and every one of you guys. Bama Girl Amy, I'm out.